Bangin ng kloy, yagatin phareng, kini ki step ngidepen board. Di prolog pe yakini ke video hadok bukut kenam kan long ke jing mentoy. Balda pisngu yo jing mentoy share lem ciki prolog jongpi. Pada ngala penmiro shipun teli ke jing hikai kum kini pila mencek ngala bu ekaling haga description. Aling ini pe. Bentuk ya ke jing ting, ke jing le rain, bat kren, kumbah pisngu. Bat kiwai ke bangidai banang bat bangin boat. Don't be afraid to make a mistakes. Khasi, what thing lada pi kumbakala. The best way to learn any language, Khasi, kebabiang tam bangin nang ya kanu keketian, is just to speak. Kalong ba ngin kren. It does not matter if you know only few words. Khasi, compare ladang itip tang kendiat kikentien. Don't wait until you feel comfortable speaking in English. Khasi, what up hado bapin the sngobiang ban kren phareng. But speak a little English every day. Khasi, Henry, kren phareng, kendiat man la kesungi. It will help you. Kan ya rap hai pi. Find a friend who is willing to speak to you. Khasi, what ya ki prolog ki bokloy bani kren yipi. It will give you more knowledge. Pin yo shushu shibon ki jingmut. Find a friend who is willing to teach you. Khasi, what ya ki prolog ki bokloy manhikai yapi. Don't wait for tomorrow. Khasi, what up ya kabala shy. Thank you for your suggestion. Khasi, kublai shibon ya kajing ajing mut jongpi. I'm not coming tomorrow. Khasi, ngam wan la shy. What happened? Jia ayu. Tomorrow, I am going to Shillong. Khasi, la shy, ngam lay sa Shillong. What are you doing there? Pile ayu shata. Meeting with my friend. Khasi, yikendo yiki prolog jonga. At the same time, I have some work to do. Khasi hakajuk kepor ngadan katu katne ki kamban le. Have you finished your dinner? Pila de bam. I just finished just now. Khasi ngadang syudap mentahi. Where are you? Shanupidon. I don't know, but I'm on my way. Khasi ngam tip Henry ngadang don halenti. We used to think when we are rich. Khasi ngishat perkat anda ngilarus pa. We will help the poor. Ngin yarap yiki beduk. Everyone dreams about that. Khasi bro ni pos new yakata. Service to people is service to God. Khasi kejing syukri ya ubrew kalong kejing syukri ya ublay. How do you feel? Kumno pisngaw. I feel like I'm nothing. Ngasngaw ba ngamlong ay. Everyone has their own problem. Khasi man la away pa away udon like kijong kijing e. Don't stress your problem. Khasi wat penlej jengmut ya kijing e. When God is with me, who can against me? Khasi haba ublay udon rengkat bat nga. Mano ban yele persya bat nga.